Oh, hello, we are live again. So recently the geofinance results came up. Like, even though the result was kind of subdued, it was on very similar track to what the result was in Q3 FY24. So it's on very similar lines that the Q3 FY25 result and the Q3 FY24 result, almost a flat line. But there are a few very important observations that I found during the result. Number one, the mutual fund license. Now, this is going to be a game changer once BlackRock enters the Indian market with its proprietary Aladdin platform. I think that will move a lot of institutional investors who are buying out mutual funds into Geo platforms. Now, BlackRock, which has an AUM of more than $11 trillion, they're also partnering with Geofinance in three other segments. One is their brokerage business, then there is their wealth management business, along with the mutual fund business. So overall, this is a great potential partnership that has a lot of potential to grow and for shareholders to also maximize their value. Now, second interesting part of this result was in terms of the AUM growth. The AUM growth has grown to now 4,200 odd CR, which is a significant growth from the last reported numbers. The salary expenses have also gone up, which indicates that they're hiring substantially, which means that they're somewhere planning to a very, very good launch around, say, Q1 FY26 is where they would probably be looking at value. The other interesting thing, which I found it surprising and I was not expecting as part of the result, was the increasing BC network. Now, increasing BC network probably means that Geofin is not primarily targeting the Tier 1 cities, because in Tier 1 cities, you will have a very high penetration of tech-savvy audiences who will be going to go a digital first. Now, the moment you're appointing BC networks probably indicates that, again, like very similar to the strategy that they had applied for Geophone, they are now applying a very similar strategy to Geofinance as well, whereby they will have the last mile connectivity. Now, they've already set up 7,000 plus BC network pan India. This is significant because you add on to that the fact that they have also a 19,000 strong retail network of Reliance Retail, which they can always leverage on, which gives Geofinance an advantage which none of the competitors in this space has. This is interesting. Another thing is that they are also going big on the payment bank piece. Now they have got the payment gateway license very recently, payment aggregator license very recently. They're also looking at tapping into other areas like POS machines and others. So overall, if you're invested in this kind of stock, my suggestion would be, if your holding period can be substantially long, just wait and watch. This has potential to be a multi-bagger. Yeah, all the best. We'll come up with more updates on other stocks very soon. Thank you. Do like, share, and subscribe. It's a new channel, so any of your support will be very, very useful for us. Thank you.